Reys, one supplier, unique solution. Quality and safety are crucial throughout food manufacturing processes. To meet quality standards, rigorous controls on the foodstuffs alone are not sufficient. The technical management and hygiene of production plants are crucially important. Reys offers specialized chemical products and personalized hygiene plans to respond to all production and retail demands. From baked goods to meat and fish processing, dairy, beverages, beer and wine, fruit, vegetables and the canning industry, up to large-scale retail, catering and cleaning companies. Reys offers a highly diversified range of products to meet hygiene needs across the food industry, from manufacturing to retail, from farm to fork. Reys supports its clients with a range of pre-sales and after-sales technical services to optimize hygiene processes and streamline sanitation costs. In the beverage, beer and wine industry, sanitizing machinery and production lines, washing bottles and lubricating conveyor belts are all an integral part of the production process. In breweries, brewhouse operations, especially the fermentation and maturation plants, are the critical focus of sanitation operations. Dairy industry production processes, whether cheese, milk, yogurt or ice cream, require specific sanitation protocols and an ultra-high standard of hygiene. The fruit and vegetable sector and the canning industry are now responding to consumers' lifestyle needs with ready-to-eat products, both raw and cooked, which demand the most scrupulous hygiene across production, packaging and retail. In the catering industry, cleanliness and hygiene are the result of a well-organized sanitation program carried out to a precise schedule. Large-scale retail settings, which see footfall in the thousands, require deep cleaning to guarantee hygiene and safety. Many companies have chosen to outsource their sanitation operations to specialists, a strategy which brings several benefits. Being able to count on skilled personnel, easing the workload of management and guaranteeing precise costing. Reys products are rigorously tested in the laboratory and in the field, and the company continuously invests in research and development to optimize performance and deliver its clients the most innovative technologies and solutions. Reys, from farm to fork.